Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the new Stremio app to your Firestick or Android TV device. The whole process is super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And as always, the first step is you gotta have the app called downloader on your Firestick. If you already have downloader and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then you gotta follow me. So firstly, let's go and take a look at the home screen on your Fire Stick. From there, you need to open the search bar and search start typing downloader. And as you can see, there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app, as downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on it, and now there you will see this orange application, which you need to download. But after you get downloader, it's not ready to use yet, because we obviously still have to set it up. So to set up downloader, let's go to the settings by clicking this button with the gear icon, then scroll down to My Fire TV. Open it, and now in here you have to turn on developer options for the Fire TV stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. So in that case, just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, and then go to install known apps. And from here, all you have to do is locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So let's head back to the list of apps on the Fire Stick, open it, and there you will find the downloader. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you gotta do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Germany right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below this video or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use downloader safely. So just get back to the list of apps on your device, open downloader, and finally let's use it. So in the downloader app, all you gotta do is open that keyboard and use it to enter the link, which will be stremio.com. So let's enter that together. Once again, it's stremio.com. Here you go, just enter the link exactly as you see on your screen and make sure not to make any mistakes. Then click go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And now when this website opens, we'll need to click on that sandwich button right here. Just click on it and select the downloads page from here. Click on that as well. And now this new page will open. You'll have to scroll it down until you see a list of versions for the Android app. They are right here on the right side. For the Firestick, you have to use the top one, which is ARM APK. Just click on it and now the download of the app will start. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your internet connection speed. And after the app got downloaded, of course you also have to make sure to install it to your device. So click the installation button now and just wait for the Stremio to finish installing. And then don't click on open yet, instead it's better to press done, as this way you get an option to delete the installation files, which we don't need anymore on your device. So just click on delete and delete once again to get rid of the unnecessary files from your Fire TV stick. And then if you go take a look at the list of apps on your device, right here, you will be able to access Stremio. So enjoy the app, don't forget to keep the VPN connected and stay safe online. Bye bye.